Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Learn and Share. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with our latest content. Today I'm going to show you a very super handy feature in Canva, how to remove the background from an image. Let's get started. Removing backgrounds from images can be a game changer for your designs, whether you are creating thumbnails, posters, or social media graphics. And the best part is, Canva makes it incredibly easy for everyone. Of course, first things first, log into your Canva account. If you don't have one yet, you can sign up for free at canva.com. You can check at the previous video and you will see how to sign up. Once you're logged in, go to the home page and click on create a design. Choose the type of design you want to create. For this tutorial, I'll select an Instagram post. Next, let's upload the image from which we want to remove the background. Click on Uploads in the left-hand toolbar, then Upload Media and select your image file of your choice. Now, drag your uploaded image onto the canvas. With the image selected, you'll see an Edit Image button at the top. Click on it. In the editing panel on the left, you'll find the background remover tool. Just click on it and Canva will automatically start processing your image to remove the background. This might take a few seconds depending on the complexity of the image. And just like that, Canva has removed the background. You can now see your image without the background. If there is any parts that needed fine-tuning, you can use the eraser or restore brushes to make manual adjustments. To fine-tune the image, use the erase brush to remove any remaining background pieces, or the restore brush to bring back parts of the image that might have been accidentally removed. Adjust the brush size for more precision. Once you're happy with the results, click apply and your image is ready to be used in your design. You can resize, reposition and add effects to it just like any other element in Canva. And that's it. Removing background in Canva is that easy. This feature is perfect for creating professional looking graphics without needing advanced photo editing software. Give it a try and let me know in the comments how it works for you. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe, and for more tips and tutorials, see you next time.